You know, when I got my opportunity, that was by accident. Nobody wanted to give me an opportunity. That was nothing. You know, who would be investing their time, their valuable time in me, you know, for me to create success? It just doesn't make sense. The guy that offered me the job, he was just like kidding, and I took it as like, oh my God, this is an opportunity for me, and I better take advantage of it. And I took advantage of it. And when I went to his office, he literally threw me to a cubicle out there, like away from his office, away from him. Go figure it out, Yanni. Good luck to you. And pray for God for all the best. Seriously. I didn't know what the hell I'm doing, but you know what? I wanted this so bad. And there's a lot of people that are going to watch this show and they're going to feel the same way. They have the motivation, they have the fire inside, the flames. Like, I want to do it, I want to achieve success, I want to change my life. They want to do everything. But give me the opportunity. This is where they're going to get the opportunity. They're going to see the lions making things happen in those two houses right here. Right here. You guys are making it happen. You didn't born to do hard money. You've been presented to it by accident. When you called me, you told me, oh, I want to be a real estate agent in LA. Remember? What did I tell you? Do not even consider being a real estate agent because it's a waste of time. For most people. Not for everyone, but for most people, it's a waste of time. And that's the reality. It's all around the world. Nothing changed. You come here and you start creating success because you presented the opportunity. I want to present the opportunity for those lions that are watching there.
I think I put Pete's there. I think I'm putting
Who's taking my coffee?
Good morning.
Ready to rise it up.
Good morning. We're razzing things up.
Absolutely.
A lot of good things happening.
Yes.
We're gonna close a lot of deals this month.
We just got an approval on 9 construction loans to fund.
That's what I like to hear in the morning.
So we're gonna fund those on Friday or Monday.
Nice.
Last week you guys shared me your income goals, okay? And you know, that's great that you put them together, but make sure you write them down on a piece of paper where you can see them and look at them every single day. Now that you guys have goals, you have to work backwards and figure out what it's gonna take to actually achieve that goal. Someone's goal was $20,000 a month in commissions. How much loan volume do you have to close a month in order to make $20,000 in commissions a month, okay? Well, it's really simple. Let's do easy math. On average, for every deal, that HML will charge 2 points. Let's just say that's the average. On $1 million, right, in loan volume, 2% is $20,000. And your commission, right, if you originated the deal yourself, is 50%. That's 10K that you just earned from doing 1 million in loan volume.
It's a different type of sales. You don't sell rate. You don't sell points anymore. Now, you just sell the money. I have the money. I can give you the money. You want the money? I'll get it to you. What's going to be the cost? Double than what it was a month ago, that's for sure. And he's still going to take it. But they don't have any other choice. They go to a hedge fund. Hedge fund charge exactly like me, but they want full appraisal, they want full credit, they want bank statements. They're going to take 30 days to 45 days. It's a whole headache. They come to me 3 days, boom, you got the money.
So if you want to make 20K a month, how much in loan volume do you have to do monthly, Armin?
Yeah.
2 million. Yeah. Great job. You got to do 2 million in loan volume, originate the deal yourself, and you got to charge at least 2 points to HML Investments, right? If your goal is 20K a month, then your goal is to close $3 million a month in loan volume. If the average is 500K per loan, right? That's 6 loans a month if you want to make $20,000 a month in commission, okay? How do you get 6 loans a month? You got to look at 60 scenarios a month, realistically. So 15. How many scenarios a week is that?
15.
15, you got to look at 15 scenarios a week, and how many conversations is that a week? That's 50 conversations a week.
10 a day.
10 a day.
Very doable.
Hey,
Like teacher. Okay, I have this pocket listing. Okay, it's in San Diego. The owner doesn't know what to do. It's a commercial. He either wants to sell for 12.5 or he wants to get investors. Are you
Wow.
interested in it?
send me the information. Let me take a look at it.
I was working on this deal. It was like a marina deal, like a marina development loan, which was like really complex and way above my head. Just like, this guy just wanted a couple $1 million to buy a marina and develop it. And I was like, sure, I'll figure it out for you. And I had a lender interested, right? But the borrower ended up like, not proceeding for whatever reasons. But I worked on the loan with him for like a month and a half with this borrower. But I built a really good relationship with him, talked to him, we got along well, right? Even though it didn't work out, I was like, it's all good, man, I'll help you with your next project, right? I haven't spoken to this guy in probably 8 months. Calls me yesterday. Hey Johnny, how's it going, man? Yeah, I just got this fix and flip under contract for $1 million in South Carolina. It's on the water. I'm gonna put 25% down. Like, do you think you can help with that? Mm-hmm. Absolutely. And he just sent me the docs this morning.
Real estate, I know it's very difficult to make money. The agents, they want to take it all. They want us to supervise them, train them, give them everything, but then they ask you for 90% commission. How the hell that works? I'm not making money, you're making all the money, and I do all the work for you to create success. It doesn't make sense. But in my mind, yes, maybe I'll open a real estate company when I'm going to have the right person that I can appoint to that business. Without that, I'm not going to do it. So now you came, now you guys came, Lynette came, Cynthia came, Julie, Raz, and whenever this person going to come, then we're going to lay all the work on him. It's going to be dedicated to that, and it's going to grow it because he have huge incentive to grow that.
I think he could handle that.
No, he can't handle loans, trusted investors, the team, conferences. No way. You got to learn how to delegate. In order to be successful in life, you got to learn how to delegate. If you don't know how to delegate, you're never going to get anywhere.
For a lot of you guys that are starting out right now in your first 6 to 10 months in the business, especially for the people who don't have like 10 loans in the pipeline, right? Like, the majority of your conversations are going to be with people like that. Not just borrowers, but brokers, realtors, right? That don't have a deal for you right this second, but they will have a deal for you in the future. So you guys need to spend time right now, a little bit extra time with these brokers, realtors, and potential borrowers on the phone, even if they don't have a deal for you, just building a relationship with them. The work you do right this week is going to pay off 90 days from now. It's a big shot now. He's our in-house producer.
Just creative director.
No, it's producer relations.
Creative director. Actually.
Creative director.
Okay, so
For the sizzle, we need to have you going to a couple of properties, 2 or 3 properties. Let us know in the camera why it's a good deal, why it's not a good thing. If you're going to fund it, if you're not going to fund it.
1 or 2?
At least 2. Because
2, but it has to be different.
Yeah,
So let's say the one for 20 units, and then in the next week I'm gonna get another client call me, then we'll set him up too.
like when that comes out, there's always something that's stirred up there. You got Raz over there that always, when he says something, it's like lighting a little match that sets off, a whole bunch of dialogue there.
We need to plan that.
Of course.
Because if in those couple of days suddenly someone will disappear, it's not good because I pay all those people to come here for the production.
Yanni, I'm gonna set up. I'm gonna set up the whole scenario. It's all up over here. I'm just gonna put it down.
Oh, we have to take them on a helicopter ride.
Well, I have one client that I just did a deal for in Culver City, and my investor wants me to go to the property and take photos of the progress.
Okay.
There you go. So,
So I could go do that.
Okay. We can do like a trusted investor. We can go to like this massive house. If you want in Malibu, I have in the Valley, in Beverly Hills.
Yeah, let's go to one of your investors' houses.
Yeah, they're going to be cool with it. But a month ago, when they were like 4%, you were like, oh man, I'll give you 8. No, I'll give you 9. I'll give you 8.5. No, today I'll give you 12. Take it or leave it. You change with the change.
Exactly.
That's the way it is.
Well, speaking of changing with the change, my stomach has changed to hungry.
Thai food.
It's time for food.